Hey guys, this is Crystal Decos. I welcome you to Fantasy Movie Recap. Today I'll explain you a 2018 horror thriller movie, Piercing. So without wasting further time, let's begin with our explanation. So the movie begins with Reed, who was standing over his infant daughter with an ice pick. His wife was unaware of his husband's intention. Suddenly, she woke up and asked him about what is he doing standing just beside his daughter. Reed lies to her wife that he just came to check on her daughter. His wife asks him to sleep, but he refuses to do so cause he had lots of work yet pending. Now Reed goes into the washroom and tries to murder himself, but he could not do so. After a while, her daughter started crying. While calming her daughter, she looks at him and says, "You know what you have to do, right?" His urge of murdering someone was terribly increasing, and so he was hallucinating. Later, he decides to kill someone outsider so as to protect her daughter from himself. He then packed his bag and gets out of the house by informing his wife that it's an important business meeting and it can't be delayed. He books an hotel and hires a prostitute for his further terrible intentions. He informs his wife not to disturb him during his meeting hours. Now he enters into the hotel room and begins the rehearsal of his murder plan. He had a habit of writing his plans in a diary before murdering someone. His urge of murdering someone was terribly increased, which resulted him insomnia, so he forcefully gains unconsciousness by using chloroform. However, the prostitute named Jackie arrives at the appointed time. She notices that Reed is using an handkerchief while opening the door, serving wine, and so on the other stuffs too. She asks him about such awkward behavior, where Reed replies that he loves to clean his surroundings. After a while, Jackie tries to attract Reed physically, which was actually quite awkward for Reed. He rudely asks Jackie, "What are you doing?" After such a bad first encounter, Jackie hides into the bathroom and Reed realizes it was actually a rude behavior. Meanwhile, Jackie was consuming drugs and pills inside the bathroom, whereas Reed was nervously waiting outside. Reed also tries to call Jackie, but she totally ignored them. However, a furious Reed enters into the bathroom and he sees her continuously stabbing her leg with a pair of scissors. Now Reed carries her to the bed, but she gets unconscious due to the intake of drug and pills she had been taking from earlier. Reed bandages her and drops his plan to murder her, and then he quickly leaves from the hotel. On his way, he was interrogated by a man whether he has seen his wife or not. Reed replies no. However, seeing Jackie undressed and bleeding, leaving the hotel, Reed decides to shift her to the hospital now. He dresses her up and both leaves for the hospital. On their way to hospital, Jackie whispers that she already knew about his plans. Now Jackie gets inside the hospital, whereas Reed awaits outside. He calls his wife, but she didn't pick up the call. However, Reed hallucinates his wife advises him, and being a voice of a reason that either Jackie doesn't know about his actual intentions or maybe she is trying to act fake and get him imprisoned by informing hospital staff. Reed was assured that Jackie didn't know about his plans. He awaits till Jackie arrives. Jackie offers him to come in her apartment. Now both of them leaves for the apartment. While their taxi ride, Jackie tells him some fantasies which she imagined within such a short period of time after they met. He also realizes that Jackie is a psycho. So finally, they reached at Jackie's apartment. Jackie behaves quite comfortable in front of Reed, whereas Reed wasn't interested at her at all. While their conversation, Reed gets assured that Jackie was unaware that Reed was a killer. She attempts to attract Reed, which resulted them lying on her bed. They continuously spoke by conveying ideas of making love or murder. Neither of them knew which intention the other had. Jackie was yet confused thinking Reed wanted to make love. However, Reed suggests to tie her up on the bed. Now as he moves towards her, Jackie says, "Can we eat first before we make love?" Reed reluctantly agrees. Then Jackie offers him soup. After having it, Reed suddenly starts to hallucinate violently, which was later revealed that Jackie spiked his soup with narcotics so that he falls unconscious. However, Reed continuously whispers his wife's name. This leads an infuriated Jackie beat him with a can opener. After a while, Reed gains consciousness. At this point, Jackie believed that Reed is not a killer, and she allows him to tie her up and get close. He ties her up, but he brings an ice pick finally to kill her. Just on the right moment, he tries to stab her. He regains unconsciousness. Somehow, Jackie unties herself and looks in through his bags. She finds a diary from which she learns about how he planned to murder her and had murdered numerous people in his urge of murdering someone. When Reed awakens the next morning, he finds himself tied and gagged. We already know that Jackie was a psycho, so she pierces on her chest as a memorable night. Then she climbs on top of Reed with an ice pick. As she tries to raise it, Reed asks her to ungag. In fact, he also asks her the same question she did before he attempted to murder her. Can we eat first before we make love? And so, this is how the movie ends. So guys, this was the end of the video. If you liked our video, do like and share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. This is me, Crystal Deco, signing off. We'll soon meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.